How to set out of office in Teams mobile app. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to set out of office in Teams mobile app. So if you want to let people know that you are out from your office inside a Teams application, if you are working on an organization, this option might be helpful. So first thing, just head over to your Microsoft Teams application and make sure you are logged into your account. And once you're inside here, just tap on this profile icon at the top left corner. So once you are inside here, you can see there's option called set status message. So you can also set your status message like this and just like this, and you can also enable this button over here to show when people message you. So once you do that, you can just click on this tick button over here at the top, and just like that your message will be sent and currently be available to everyone who will message you. So you can also do another thing, that is just click on this available status and you can change the status to do not disturb mode, so which means the people will understand that you are currently outside of your office and you are not able to talk with any of them because you are busy, just like that. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.